Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. A little hazy out there earlier today, but the air quality was still good. Now what's going to happen here is we've got wildfires out west, portions of Idaho, Montana, into Washington, Oregon, California, and that is all the smoke that's going up into the atmosphere, and the upper level pattern brings the smoke eastward. And what's going to happen is the smoke, you'll notice it here tomorrow. It'll be a lot hazier tomorrow. Here's tomorrow morning, and notice the smoke is going to be around across much of the upper Midwest, also out towards the Great Lakes, and this continues even into the day on Wednesday. So we got the smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but does it actually make it down to the ground? Right now, it doesn't look like that is going to be the case, and that is good news for air quality. As you can see, come Tuesday morning, not much of a concern. Maybe a little bit more by the afternoon, but still good to moderate, I think, for the day tomorrow when it comes to the air quality. And then as we get into the day on Wednesday, it still should be pretty good to maybe a couple of spots, moderate category, but that happens a lot during the summer months. So right now it looks like most of the smoke and air quality concern would be farther to our north and west, but definitely a hazy day coming up here tomorrow. As for the wind, it's going to be light overnight. It does pick up during the day tomorrow. Late morning into the afternoon hours, wind could gust to about 20-25 miles an hour, and then as soon as the sun goes down, that wind becomes light, and it's all out of the southerly direction. Now, it is going to be warm the next several days, but it's not going to be very humid at all, with the dew point sitting in the lower to middle 50s. A little uptick on that as we get into the day on Saturday. Now, future tracks showing dry conditions as we head through the overnight hours. As we head into the day tomorrow, again, a lot of hazy sunshine expected for the day. Tonight, temperatures will drop down into the 50s with the Storm Track 7 forecast. Under that clear sky, 55 is our normal low, so pretty close to that. Daytime highs tomorrow will be warmer than normal. Normal high temperature, as you can see here, 79 degrees. Hazy sunshine, a little bit of a breeze, and temperatures will be on the warm side and will remain warm over the next several days. The city-by-city forecast does include a lot of hazy sunshine definitely tomorrow and Wednesday. Still a bit of a question how hazy it's going to be here on Thursday. Temperatures, though, will be warm, getting close to that hot category as we put it at 90 degrees. We'll be in the middle to upper 80s. Now, there's a tropical system down in the Gulf of Mexico that is forecast to move northward. Should make it up to about, we'll say, the Illinois area as we get towards the end of the week into the weekend. And if it does make it that far north, we could see a lot of cloud cover associated with that, but little to no rain. I think maybe a shower here on Sunday. Now, that is going to keep the temperatures down into the low, maybe some mid 80s, and it's going to be a little bit more muggy around here. As we showed you, that's going to increase as we get towards Saturday. But if that tropical system moves a bit farther to the east, it'll take the cloud cover with it, and we'll see a little bit more sunshine, and we'll have to add a few more degrees onto these temperatures. But that's something we'll continue to monitor as we watch the tropical system down in the Gulf of Mexico here this evening, eventually make landfall on Wednesday in Louisiana, and then eventually move our direction with some clouds. After that, we'll keep it dry, and the temperatures still on the warm side, with highs in the 80s, overnight lows in the lower 60s.